That's good. I'm ready to record again. So there's three types of pages on Instagram. You have the personal page, you have the business page, and also you have the team page, the occasional. It's more than occasional actually. I'm making this video because you wanted to know what a team page is, and you know what? You've got it. You learn not only what a team page is, but also how to grow it and how to make money off it. Everything that no other Instagram account owner or agency owner wants you to know. And I probably might die after, and I wouldn't be surprised if something happens to me after this video because Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and growing on Instagram. So subscribe if you're new and like this video to help me out. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. So all you gotta do is comment your Instagram username down below. It's awesome, so put it in the awesome jar and then shout it out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so the first thing is how do you grow on Instagram actually? How do you grow a team page? So the first thing is, what is a team page? A team page is actually a page that has some theme, some niche, and it kind of looks like this. If we type in motivation on Instagram, there's a bunch of pages like Motivational Mondays. This page has 1 million followers, and all it does is just post stock images with a quote on it. But if you DM it or somewhere here, they'll be asking for hundreds of dollars from just a shout out. There's also pages like this, Foodies, 9 million followers. All they do is share stuff like this, incredibly as you can see here. So they always have a niche, a theme, that's why they're called a team page. But again, how do you actually build a page like this? Then you can learn how to make money off it. Well, the first way, the easiest way, is to grab my free Zero to 10K followers guide. It's available, it's still free, in the description down below. It's 11 pages.
Knowledge.
But the simplest way is reposting other people's content. I have a video on it, you can see it in the cards above. I also have a video on how to grow from 0 to 10K followers, also in the cards above. But basically, reposting content is using other people's content and an app called Repost or any other app that's free. App High is paid, I think now, and just crediting the owner. And if you post 5-7 times a day, you definitely get some reach, especially if it's good content. Follow and follow is super important. Some people debate whether or not it works. Yes, it does work, especially when you're starting out from scratch. You probably need 3,000 or 4,000 followers before you even start ranking on the Explore page and on hashtags, which is where you get your organic followers from. So follow and follow, it works. I have a bunch of videos on my channel about it, so you can check them out. And another way that you should probably consider is growing with hashtags. I just finished the video on how to grow with hashtags, but if you don't want to learn it and you just want to buy hashtags for 99 cents, there's a link in the description. So you grow it organically, follow and follow, reposting using the right hashtags. That's the way to do it. The first way is actually sponsorships. This is how a majority of the team pages make money. They rely on sponsorships. They will charge anything from $1 up to, I managed to get a page with 5 million followers for $700 for a promo story, caption shout out, and post shout out once. And you can probably get even better deals. Sometimes you can negotiate with e-commerce shops or business owners deals where they'll pay you X amount of money for X amount of posts. Actually, these are the deals where you make the most money. I'm talking from the perspective of someone who buys shoutouts from pages, and I can also tell you that having your own product, which is actually the second way of monetizing your team page, is actually the best way. If someone is willing to buy media space on your Instagram page by a story, by a caption shoutout, by a post shoutout, it probably means that this person might be getting his money back either now or through the impressions down the road on his backend, the backend structure that he built. So if you are actually selling your own product, like the person advertising on your page or doing the sponsorship or paying for the sponsorship on your page, you earn 100% of the margin, 100% of the money that's made through your audience. You can do that in a lot of ways, like just building a Shopify dropshipping store, drop servicing store, selling an ebook. I have a whole video on it. There's so many countless ways. The idea of the channel is to help you out with all of them. And the third way is going to be very interesting. It's Instagram monetization. It's something that we're waiting to come out as of September 2020. We have no control information on when it will come out, but building a team page now, one of the best things you can start. We even heard that the team page got sold for $85 million. It was a meme team page, it was sold to Warner Music or something, I'm not sure, but yeah, there's very big moves going on, and team pages go for around $10 per view follower. So if you have a team page with 1 million followers, it can go for 10 grand plus, depending on how active the followers are, how much money it's making currently, and so on. If this video helped you out, again, make sure you give it a like. I really spend a lot of time into creating these videos. You get over 1 video, sometimes 2 or 3 videos a day. We have a big team here, 3 people, 2 editors, and me working on providing you with this value. So subscribe if you're interested in growing on Instagram. Remember that video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out, and remember that this is not financial medical advice. Do your own due diligence. I'll actually choose the video on the bottom. See you next one. Bye.